15 popular nature-inspired names. Nature-inspired names have become increasingly popular, offering a unique and meaningful way to name your little one. These names can be derived from plants, animals, celestial bodies, and other natural elements. Let's start with some popular nature-inspired names that have captured the hearts of many parents. Willow, River, Ivy, Aurora, Jasper, Luna, Asher, Hazel, Phoenix, Daisy, Rose, Sky, Sage, Brook, Fern. There you have it, our 15 popular nature-inspired names. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more baby name inspiration. Thanks for watching.